breakfasts. DoorDash.
Ragu kettle cooked with homemade taste?
Nona, this tastes like yours.
New Ragu Kettle Cooked, our most impressive sauce yet.
Maybelline, New York. Welcome to Sky High Air. Ready for
This is an activation for a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. We interrupted your normal programming to conduct the test of the emergency alert system for your area. There is no emergency at this time. In the event of an actual emergency, such as severe weather, biological hazards, or other situations that pose a risk to public safety and well-being, the alert tone you just heard would have been followed by vital information and instructions. No action is required. This is only a test. This message will repeat again. Please stand by. This is an activation for a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. We interrupted your normal programming to conduct the test of the emergency alert system for your area. There is no emergency at this time. In the event of an actual emergency, such as severe weather, biological hazards, or other situations that pose a risk to public safety and well-being, the alert tone you just heard would have been followed by vital information and instructions. No action is required. This is only a test. This has been the test of the emergency alert system.
Can anyone hear me? You may not know who I am or what's going on, but I need you to listen to me. You, your people, your worlds are in grave danger. It has already taken over our world. Everything we had is lost. Everyone I know and don't are gone. Corrupted by the darkness. Turned into a happy life glitching zombie. This thing may sound crazy, but I'm not. We tried to fight it, but it only kept getting more powerful. I don't know how much longer I can still. Please heed my warning. Beware of the darkness. It knows where to destroy, and every time it corrupts the world, they get stronger. You're not safe in its path, and whatever you do... Wait! Oh no, it's here! Please remember my warning. The darkness is coming for you.
Thank you, Sam. It is now 7 a.m. in the Eastern Time Zone. For those who just tuned into CNN, we have breaking news to follow coming in from the state of Illinois. We received information about an unknown transmission that happened in the early hours of the morning. As most people in the region were asleep, the emergency alert system underwent a test for several counties in central Illinois. However, at 2:38 a.m. Central Time, the broadcast had lost signal and was soon hijacked by an unknown entity. It had almost immediately caught the attention of the Federal Communications Commission, who issued a warning after the hijack for people in the area to turn off their televisions. We had reached the commissioner of the FCC for a comment. Here's their statement.
While the timing of the broadcast haven't caused immediate panic from the general public, we are glad it wasn't distributed nationwide. Despite that, we had heard phrases that we considered to find disturbing, saying that our world is in danger and beware of the darkness. At this moment, we are currently analyzing if this was a warning of some sort or an attempt to create mass hysteria. We currently don't have enough data to verify as well with the direct origins of the transmission, but we are looking into that. However, those who are found responsible for the illegal transmission will be apprehended and persecuted by the FBI.
That was the commissioner's statement. We will update you more on this situation once new information is given to us.